I'm working on a hill. I cleared these 2 trees at least in this area. I want to put down some flowers, put down some black stuff, some soil, and some mulch, seeds. I'd love to clear all this out. That's what I'm looking to do. I started over here. You can see my plants that I planted a couple years back. And my sister-in-law Janine, like those who planted them there in the tree. So you can see some roses down yonder. I'd like to have that all open. I just want to clear this and have just all wild flowers. That's what I think I want to do. We'll see. Okay, so I'm still by the hill here. I think this is a perfect spot. I planted the little tree that was growing by the house. It's been there for like 2 years. I had it in a pot, but now I planted it right here. I think that'll be good. It's got plenty of space. Hopefully it'll grow. Hey, this is how I'm starting out. I'm not even putting down anything except for the black. And I'm gonna put some dirt and some mulch around it and the seeds and see what happens. Here's my little tree now. That looked really nice, huh? Okay, this is what I got done. I planted a bunch of perennial seeds. We'll see what happens. And I cleared about that. And then I'm gonna keep working until it gets dark. So I got about another half hour or so. Maybe longer, but I'm just gonna probably do it for another half hour. Beautiful. I want to be able to see from my porch all the way over here cleared. And, you know, maybe put some flowers over there, wildflowers. Okay, so now I planted all these seeds. I have to water them. So I filled our empty water jugs and I'm going to dump it on there. That's what I cleared on the hill. So I just went up to about there and down. It's really a big slope. So anyways, now you can see my beautiful plants that I planted. I gotta try and get all the weeds out, but I went all the way down to there. So looks pretty good. I want to put some mulch down here and some soil and some seeds. See if I could get a bunch of wildflowers over here. My next adventure is probably to clear that out, but I mean, it looks pretty. I hope we'll get flowers over there too, so just random. And this hill right here, what I'd like to do is clear this again and put a bunch of zinnias right here. Get some dirt. Because the soil here is not great. But some of the stuff is blooming. So now when I come up here, that's beautiful. Beautiful shot. I want to finish clearing around there too, around those trees. Just like I did these little trees here. And hopefully our baby tree that I just planted is going to grow. And then clear that out. Be nice to like have a bench up there or something. Okay, I had enough time. I figured I'll just do it tonight. Clear the top. Now put some dirt there, some mulch. Put a bunch of wildflowers down. Alright. This way I'm ready for tomorrow. And I can try and finish the rest of that.